previous video we have discussed about how do you work with the functions. Now what I'm going to do, actually I'm just going to work with some a function with certain HTML. For me to do that, actually I need some HTML objects on here. So what I'm going to do, I keep my script tag separately here, and I'm going to have a HTML form here. Say form, I'll give a name for the form as F1. Good, that's great. And I will close the form tag here, and I will close the form tag. So this form tag is very much important when you work with the JavaScript. So inside there I will say input. I'm going to put a button here, input type, and I say button, right, button, and I will say a value for this. I say value as OK. Here we go. So I have a button. Let me get a preview on this on Firefox. Okay, this is the button I have. So when I click on this button, I want to trigger a function. So that's something very important. When I click on this button, I want to trigger a function. So remember that in the form object of button, as a function, a JavaScript inbuilt function called Onclick. So Onclick, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call a function. Before that, in the script tag, I need to write a function. I will be writing a function, say function as bad spelling, okay, and I say this, and I close bracket, so open bracket and close bracket on the function, and I will say document dot write you have clicked. So then what happened, you have a function here. So this function is called this. I'm calling the function name is this. I'm calling that on this Onclick event. So I'm not forgetting to put double quotes here. So let's see what will happen. So when I go to the coding again, when I click on the OK button, so you get that message, you get that whatever you have asked to print. So this is what I wanted to do. So what happened, when I click on the button, I have call a function. So this is how you work with HTML form and JavaScript. So we're looking forward to do some more exercises from this.